In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily watch age-restricted videos on YouTube on your mobile and computer. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And on your mobile device, on an iPhone or on an Android, first off, we need to open up YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and then once the app is loaded, tap right here at your profile picture to open up your YouTube channel or YouTube profile. And then once the page is loaded, you need to tap at that gear to head over to settings. On settings, towards the very top of the screen, we can easily find general. We need to get into it, and that's where we can easily find restricted mode. This mode, if it is active, helps to hide potentially mature videos, and all we have to do now in order to be able to watch age-restricted videos on YouTube mobile is just make sure the restricted mode turned off, just like that. Keep in mind that these settings only applies to this app on this particular device. It means that if you want to watch age-restricted videos on your computer, you need to head over to youtube.com first, then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and then you need to click right here at the top right corner of the screen at your profile picture, and then in this pop-up we can easily find restricted mode. It says on, so all we have to do in order to turn it off is just click at restricted mode, and then we just need to turn off this toggle next to activate restricted mode to turn it off. That's how it's done, guys. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.